guys know, there's different type of mounts for your kitchen sink. There's a top mount, under mount, and the flush mount. Most average Joes don't know the difference, they just know the faults. A top mount sounds exactly like what it is. It is actually a sink that is sitting right above the counter. Even if it's 1 mm or 2 mm above the kitchen countertop. A top mount is easy and inexpensive to install, however, it is not visually appealing and have silicone visible. Since it is protruding out, it gets easily worn out and collects dirt at the rim of the sink. Cleaning it may be no problem for you, however, constantly wiping and brushing tears off the silicone around it. Then comes the undermount. Just like its name, it is where the sink is underneath the top. It has a modern and clean look which suits most kitchen out there, and debris can be easily wiped from the kitchen countertop into the sink. However, when you turn on the tap, there'll be water splashing and the food or waste would get stuck underneath the hidden corners of the undermount, making it unhygienic in the long run. Lastly, we have the flush mount sink. A flush mount sink is the latest way to install your kitchen sink. Using a high-tech machine for precision fabrication and skills to install a flush mount, it not only gives aesthetics but also practicality. The flush mount is not susceptible to algae growth and collects no debris, making it easy to maintain and also hygienic. Hachi Flush Mount Sink is designed by iQuartz to provide you the best solution for installing a kitchen sink. This contemporary flush mount sink by Hachi is not only a highly practical design, its contemporary look when coupled with iQuartz marble quartz countertop gives your kitchen an instant facelift. Reduce water seepage issues that can destroy your kitchen cabinet. Easy to clean and maintain, keeping it spick and span all the time. Now that you know the difference, the next question will be, where can I find a flush mount sink? Located at 562 Balestier Road, you will find iQuartz, where Hachi Flush Mount Sink is.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.